Is it on? Okay, okay. This is my 100 followers video. I'm gonna try and do a cartwheel. I promise on this. Might not work. Don't judge. Ow! Okay, okay, we'll keep on trying here. How am I supposed to do this? Yeah, I did it! This is hard. How do girls do this? Well, thanks for the 100 followers, guys. And I'll be posting this on my YouTube channel. And then I'm gonna tweet it, and then you'll watch it. So subscribe to my YouTube, and get people to follow me. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. One more time. You think I can do it? I don't think I can. I've never been able to do that. I can't. I know that's one thing I might be able to do. Yeah, see, I really can't do anything gymnastic. But I can do this. Okay, ready? Ready, watch this. Okay, ready? I'm gonna pull my thumb off. Look, there's my thumb. Yeah, it's such a bad trick. He's getting shaggy by the TV. Okay, so, yeah, it's better.